That is how you start a video, folks. Welcome to Chris Hall Motorcycles. Welcome to our channel. Now, normally, as you OG subscribers know, I always start the video. You'll usually start the modern bikes in the middle of the video, but I struggle to kick them up, even these baby bikes like this, with the camera in my hand. I have massive paranoia about dropping it, and I'm on my own, so I've got no one here to come and do it for me. So I thought I'd start the bike, then pick up the camera. Seemed to make sense to me, but look at the smell. I say look at the smell. Look at the smoke through this building. Can you smell it, folks? Can you? Does it take you back to the 70s? So anyway, like I say, welcome to Chris Hall Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to the channel. So what have I got for you today? With little or no introduction, it's the 1977 Yamaha FS1e DX in what arguably is possibly the best colour. Discussed below. UK bike. Got some nice bits of paperwork with the vehicle as well. It's had some restoration work done. It's had a bit of a good service last year. So without further ado, let's have a slow walk around this 1977 16er. It's a lovely bike. It really is. But yeah, the bike is pretty immaculate. You know, if I find any negativity, I will do. Tyres are in very good condition. All the chrome's really nice, folks. The seat's lovely, no rips or tears there. The paint's gorgeous. In fact, on the camera, it's showing it a bit softer yellow than it actually is. It's actually a better yellow than what the camera's showing it. I must get some better lighting in here, actually. It's one of my tasks this week. All the engine casings, everything is lovely and clean. What a nice bike. It really is. Absolutely lovely. You know, all the stickers have been done, replaced. Headlight, chrome, everything. Yeah, it's just a nice little bike. Very iconic. We've also got an AP50 in stock as well, which I'm about to do next. But yeah, unfortunately, I'd like to start these videos on camera. Sorry, start these bikes on camera, but yeah, don't always work out like that. So I just thought I'd start it first, then pick up the camera. But yeah, what a lovely bike. And like I say, it's a UK bike. Let's just have a quick butcher's at some paperwork for you. And it is matching numbers as well. So yeah, matching numbered bike, UK bike. Currently showing, what we're showing, 13,643 miles. With the bike, we've got an owner's manual, a Haynes manual, service book as well. And it looks like it was serviced at Fastline. And if any of you guys know Fastline, they're a great bunch of guys over there doing some beautiful bikes. So it looks like it had a fairly comprehensive, you know, new plugs, carb strip setup, new bulbs, new battery, rebuild pedal crank, new chain, new fuel, etc, etc. And that was exactly a year ago. So yeah, it's been over there for some work to be done. But yeah, what a lovely bike. So on this bike, we can offer nationwide or international delivery. I can offer finance on this vehicle as well. Give me a call and we can discuss that, because it works slightly differently to the more modern vehicles that we sell as well. So but yeah, just give me a call on that one. The bike will go through the workshop for a bit of a check over prior to coming out. One thing I didn't check, which I'll do with you now, is it historic on the V5, or does that need doing? No, it is down as historic on the V5, so that is tax and test exempt. Obviously, if it's not historic on the V5, you just need to take it to the post office and have that done, and it's a fairly seamless, straight process. But that is a lovely example of the iconic FS1e. Okay, folks, so if you want to know how much this bike is, there is a description below which contains a price and also a link to the website where you'll find a shed load of photos of this bike in high definition. You can have a bit of a zoom in. If you'd like to know anything else about this bike, you can give me a call on 01302 760 967, or you can email me, chrishallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, as always, if you want to come down and look at this bike in person, you're more than welcome. And as always, if you live more than a mile away, give us a call before you set off, just to make sure the bike is in stock and available. Other than that, folks, I'm going to sign off. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, if you've enjoyed this video and you want to see more motorcycles, because we've got lots more to come, I've got at least another 50 bikes in stock that I have not videoed or are online. Hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, tick that bell for notifications. I really do appreciate it. And remember, if you're passing Doncaster and you want a brew, knock on the door, pop in, have a brew with us. Thank you very much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Until next time, cheers.